style and functionality. Today, we're delving into the art of courtyard patio area decor and design. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Courtyard patio design, a topic that can truly transform your outdoor living experience. A well-designed courtyard patio isn't just an extension of your home, it's a private sanctuary, a place for relaxation, entertainment, and connection with nature. Let's begin by defining what we mean by courtyard patio design. Essentially, a courtyard patio is an outdoor space enclosed by the walls of a building or a series of buildings, creating a sense of privacy and intimacy. Unlike a typical backyard or patio that opens onto a larger landscape, a courtyard is defined by its enclosed nature. This enclosure can be formed by the house itself, adjacent structures like garages or outbuildings, or even strategically placed walls or landscaping. This creates a unique microclimate and a distinct sense of place. Now, why should you consider designing a courtyard patio? The benefits are numerous. First and foremost is privacy. The enclosed nature of a courtyard provides a welcome escape from the outside world, shielding you from noise and prying eyes. This creates a tranquil environment perfect for relaxation or intimate gatherings. Courtyards also offer protection from the elements. Walls help block wind, creating a more comfortable space even on breezy days. They can also provide shade during the hottest parts of the day, making the space usable year-round. Furthermore, a well-designed courtyard can significantly enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home, adding value and creating a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor living spaces. How should I decorate my courtyard patio area to look good? Decorating a courtyard patio requires careful consideration of scale, proportion, and the overall aesthetic you wish to achieve. It's crucial to treat the courtyard as an extension of your home's interior, creating a cohesive flow between the two spaces. Start by defining the function of the space. Will it be primarily for dining, lounging, or a combination of both? This will inform your furniture choices and layout. Incorporate elements that bring the indoors out, such as comfortable seating, outdoor rugs, and decorative lighting. Consider the surrounding architecture and choose materials and finishes that complement the existing style. Greenery is essential in a courtyard. Plants soften the hardscape, add visual interest, and contribute to the sense of tranquility. What are the best items for courtyard patio design? Selecting the right items is crucial for creating a functional and stylish courtyard. Consider the following. First, comfortable seating. Invest in high-quality outdoor furniture that is both durable and comfortable. Consider sofas, armchairs, and dining sets depending on your needs. Second, outdoor rugs. Rugs define spaces and add warmth and texture to the hardscape. Third, lighting. Layered lighting is essential for creating ambience. Use a combination of overhead lighting, wall sconces, and accent lighting. Fourth, plants. Choose a variety of plants in different sizes and textures to create visual interest. Consider vertical gardening to maximize space. Fifth, water features. A small fountain or water feature can add a soothing sound and create a focal point. Sixth, fire pits or fireplaces. These can extend the use of your courtyard into the cooler months. Seventh, screens and dividers. These can create privacy and define different zones within the courtyard. Eighth, mirrors. Strategically placed mirrors can visually expand the space and reflect light. Ninth, art and accessories. Add personal touches with outdoor art, sculptures, and decorative accessories. 10th, shade structures. Pergolas, awnings, or shade sails can provide protection from the sun. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, hear these the compilation of the top 10 best courtyard patio design ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. Mediterranean oasis. Think terracotta tiles, wrought iron furniture, and lush greenery. 2. Modern minimalist. Clean lines, neutral colors, and sleek furniture. 3. Rustic retreat. Natural materials like wood and stone, combined with comfortable textiles. 4. Tropical paradise. lush foliage, vibrant colors, and comfortable hammocks. 5. Urban chic. Sleek furniture, metallic accents, and vertical gardens. 6. Bohemian escape. Patterned textiles, eclectic furniture, and lots of plants. 7. French country. Wrought iron furniture, climbing roses, and gravel pathways. 8. Japanese zen. Minimalist design, natural materials, and carefully placed stones. 9. Coastal retreat. Light and airy colors, natural textures, and comfortable seating. 10. Industrial style. Metal furniture, exposed brick, and concrete accents. A well-designed courtyard patio can be a true extension of your home, a private oasis where you can relax, entertain, and connect with nature. By carefully considering the design elements we've discussed, you can create a space that is both beautiful and functional, a true reflection of your personal style. We hope this video has inspired you to create your own outdoor sanctuary. Don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more expert tips and design inspiration. Leave a comment below and let us know what your favorite courtyard patio design ideas are. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.